Welcome to Athens Sea Side Escape. To begin your journey into tranquil elegance, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for effortless booking. Nestled along the captivating coastline of Athens, Greece, our four-star haven beckons you to a world of serenity and refined luxury, where the radiant Aegean Sea becomes your constant companion. Check-in commences at 3 p.m., allowing you to seamlessly transition into a realm of meticulously designed rooms, each a sanctuary of modern comfort with breathtaking panoramic views. A diverse array of accommodations awaits, tailored to suit every preference, ensuring an experience of unparalleled comfort. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of our enchanting garden oasis, a lush sanctuary designed for blissful relaxation after days filled with cultural exploration. Surrounded by fragrant blooms and gently swaying palms, find solace in the peaceful ambience. While children are welcome, kindly be aware that our child policy entails additional fees. Before you depart, remember checkout is gracefully scheduled for 11 a.m., allowing you to savor every last moment in this coastal paradise. Remember to scan the QR code to reserve your escape.